Good morning class. Welcome to grade 3 maths class. How are you all doing today? We are learning about division. In the previous class, we learned how to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. In this class, we are going to learn how to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So, the first question, divide 462 by 2. The dividend here is the number 462, the number that we are going to divide, and the divisor, which is the number with which we are dividing, and the divisor here is 2. So, the process is the same as in the case of the division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So, let's see the steps. The first step is to write the dividend and the divisor in the proper format for the long division method. So, 462, the dividend, by the divisor 2. Now, we are dividing with a 1-digit number. So, let's consider the first digit or the digit at the highest place in the dividend. And which is the highest place here? This is a 3-digit dividend. So, you have the ones place, tens place and the hundreds place here. So, the highest place is the hundreds place and the hundreds digit is the digit 4. So, let's divide 4 by 2. So, we can recite the table of 2 till we reach either 4 or just less than 4. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So, let's write that 2 over here and multiply this 2 and this 2. So, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, where you write that 4? Right below the hundreds digit or the digit 4 in the dividend. Then you subtract. Make sure you are writing the hundreds digit of the quotient and the dividend and the resulting answers here on the same line or in the same column. All the digits should be aligned according to their respective places. So, 2 into 2, 4 that you have written here, and you subtract 4 minus 4. And what is 4 minus 4? It is 0. So, we have got the first digit of the quotient. Now, there are digits remaining in the dividend which are to be divided. So, let's bring the next digit of the dividend towards the bottom. So, the next digit is the tens digit, which is the digit 6 here. So, let's bring down the 6 here. Now, we have to divide this 6 by 2, just like we had divided this 4 by 2. So, to divide this 6 by this 2, let's recite the table of 2. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, but 2 fours are 8. So, we need only 2 threes are 6. So, let's write that 3 at the top where you are supposed to write the quotient. So, did you notice the hundreds digit or the highest digit of the quotient and the highest digit of the dividend are on the same line and the next digit is on the tens place. Now, we know we got 2 threes are 6, that 3 we wrote here. Now, multiply 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. We get 6. That 6 we write here just below the 6 that we had brought down. Then we subtract and we get what? 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So, we divided, multiplied, subtracted, brought down, repeated the process. And now again there is one digit to bring down. So, you have to bring down the next digit, which is the ones digit here, and bringing this ones digit 2 towards the bottom, we get like this. We get 2 here. Now, the next step is to divide this 2 by the divisor 2. So, let's recite the table of 2 till we reach 2 or just less than 2. So, we know 2 ones are 2. So, let's write that 1 over here. Now, multiplying 1 into 2, we get 2. That 2 we wrote here. Then, we subtract 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now, is there any more digits to bring down? No, right? So, we have arrived at the result. The division is done. So, what is the result or the quotient of this division? we got the quotient as 231 and the remainder is 0. There is no remainder. 462 was completely divided to give the quotient or the result as 231. Clear? Now see one more question. Divide 643 by 2. So, first we write the numbers in the proper format. 643 by 2. Now what is the next step? The next step is to consider the first digit of the dividend. So which is 6 here. Now dividing 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2. For that, let's recite the table of 2. That is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So let's write that 3 over here. Then multiplying this 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. We get 6 here. Then we subtract 6 minus 6 and we get 0 here. The next step, bring down the next digit. So bringing this next digit 4 here, we get 4 here. Now the step is to divide this 4 by this 2. So 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So let's write that 2 over here. Now multiplying 2 into 2 or 2 into 2. We get 4. Write it just below the 4 that we had brought down. Now subtract 4 minus 4 and that is equal to 0. Now the next step is to bring down the next digit 3 here. So bringing the next digit down, here we get 3. So now we have to divide this 3 by this 2. 3 divided by 2. So again recite the table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we need only 2 ones are 2. So let's write that 1 over here. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Writing it here. Subtracting the numbers. 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Any more digits to bring down? No. So let's stop the division. We got the result as 321 and there is a remainder 1. So 643 divided by 2 gives you the quotient or Q is equal to 321 and the remainder or R is equal to 1. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's do an activity. Please take your notebook and note down these questions in your notebook. The first one, solve 217 divided by 7, and the second one, find the quotient and remainder of 451 by 4. You may pause the video, finish doing the exercise and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's discuss the questions. The first one, 217 by 7. Let's solve this question. 217 by 7. So we have written the numbers in the proper way. Now we are dividing with a 1-digit number. So let's consider the first digit or the digit in the highest place of the dividend, which is 2 here. Now 2 divided by 7. Can we divide 2 by 7? No, right? So let's consider the next digit as well, which is 1. So now we are considering 21 divided by 7. And what is 21 divided by 7? To find that, let's recite the table of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So let's write that 3 over here. Now again multiplying 7 into 3 or 3 into 7. Let's write it just below the 21 here. Now subtract the two numbers. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the next step? Bring down the next digit, which is the 1's digit here. So bringing the 1's digit 7 down to here. We have 7 divided by 7 now. So 7 ones are 7. So let's write that 1 here. Now 7 ones are 7 that we write here. We subtract 7 minus 7 to get the number 0. No more digits to bring down and the division is done. So what is the quotient? The quotient or Q is equal to 31 and the remainder R is equal to 0. I hope you got the answer correct. Now let's discuss the second question. Find the quotient and remainder of 451 by 4. So let's see how we can do that. 451 by 4. Considering the first digit, which is 4 here, 4 divided by 4. We know 4 ones are 4. So 4 into 1, 4. Subtracting 4 minus 4, 0. Now bringing the next digit down. We have 5 here. Now 5 divided by 4. We have to recite the table of 4 till we get 5 or just less than 5. So 4 ones are 4 but 4 twos are 8. So 4 ones are enough. So let's write 1 here. 4 ones are 4. Therefore we write here. Then we subtract 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Then bringing the next digit down, the ones digit. We have 11 here now. Now 11 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, but 4 threes are 12. So 4 twos are enough. So we write that 2 here. And 4 into 2 or 4 twos are 8. That we write here. Make sure you are writing the number 8 in the ones place. So 11 minus 8. And what is 11 minus 8? It is 3. Now, is there any more digits to bring down? No. So we have arrived at the result. We got the quotient Q is equal to 112 and the remainder R is equal to 3. So I hope you got both the answers correct. Now you have to go through the topic dividing 3-digit number by a 1-digit number in page number 74 and 75 of your textbook. And then move on to exercise 5.7, which is in page number 75. You have to complete the questions 1B to 1L and 2B to 2L. You can complete the questions in your notebook, take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.